Hi, my name is Brandi. I'm an instructor at Top of the Line Barber School, and today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of shear holding and palming and how to do a shear cut on top. Today I'll be showing you how to properly hold the shears. You have to stick your ring finger in and rest your pinky on the resting. Your thumb goes in the bottom, and your next two fingers are right there on the top. Only your thumb moves up and down. When you're cutting, you must take your thumb out of the grip and hold them closed firmly. And then you're going to grip your comb and you're ready to start combing and sectioning the hair. First, you want to section in the middle. Straight back. Until you get to the occipital bone. Then we're going to do a T-parting from the occipital to the top of the ears. Comb it back and comb it forward. And that gives you your 3 sections to start. You're going to take a 1-inch section right in the middle. This is going to be your first guide. We're keeping the cut vertical from the ground because you're going to be cutting this straight up. So we cut this off to our guide, comb it straight down, and now you can start to see where your layering is at and where you can begin. Just follow it around the head, taking your previous guide to help you so you don't get lost. You can see the undercut underneath. Again, cutting straight up. Go again. Till you get to the end of your section. Then continue on the other side. Keeping a little bit from the previous guide and bringing it to the new guide. See the undercut. When continuing on the sides, this is where you're going to start to over direct and pull it slightly back towards you while maintaining your inch sections. Keeping it vertical and cutting straight up. Now that we have the sides cut and blended in with the fade, we're gonna go ahead and start on the top. So now that we've done our vertical parting, we're now gonna come up and do it about a 45-degree angle. So then we're gonna cut these tails off right here. Again, just working around the head. Keeping the 45. Once you get to the sides, I keep it at a diagonal so it's easier for you to see your guides. Working the 45-degree. Once you finish one side, start from the back again. You can continue to the next. And you just keep working your way up to the top. Now we've got the 45. Now we're gonna hold in between a 180 and a 90. Cut the remaining from your guide. just go back and clean up the tails. Gotta cut those triangles. Once you have an even length on top, then you can go ahead and then start blending out the sides. Now we'll be using the blending shears. We're gonna go ahead and blend that hard line right there and make it more soft and rounded. When you do it, you wanna use shear over comb, scoop it and tilt out. Don't dig into it and dig into your guide. Tilt it out, cut, and slowly bring up. Comb down to see where you're at, and continue. Depending on the way the hair grows, you can always comb down and do the same thing. That helps soften the line and gives it a little texture for blending in. And that concludes our shear cut. Again, my name is Brandi. I'm an instructor at Top of the Line Barber School, and until we meet again.